Hi everyone, I'm G. Kannan coming from Tech University in Chennai. We have enrolled in this drone pilot course from TSAA, and the moment we entered into TSAA Academy, we thought drone pilot would be very difficult and we should be very afraid of flying drones. But later we recognized that it was really easy when you are completely knowing the rules and regulation and you are up to your limits. The academy have taught us all the DGCA rules and regulations. Apart from that, they gave a wonderful hands-on training with right from the parts and function of the drone, and then they give us a big amount of flying hours. With that, now we are able to fly with safe.